Sorting the mini cucumbers used to be even more of a group effort.
This used to be a large rectangular table with 10 to 15 workers. However, once the pandemic hit, we realized that it did not work anymore. So what we decided is to create these little tables where each worker has their little individual space.
But not every part of this large operation could be adjusted so easily.
This line is one of the examples where plexiglass was not possible to implement. Unfortunately, some of the workers had to interact with each other, passing product.
Which is why the close to 200 employees here will be getting vaccinated next week. BC will still prioritize by age group, but will now add an additional cohort, essential workers, starting at food processing facilities like this and large work camps.
I cried when I heard the news.
The program will soon move on to other professions, including teachers.
Teachers have been working under incredibly difficult and stressful circumstances.
First responders and grocery workers will also be added. Around 320,000 doses will be distributed through mobile clinics and pharmacies, which so far have not been used in BC to distribute COVID vaccines. But some, like bus drivers, are frustrated they didn't make the list.
They are in very close proximity, about even 2 feet away from us. It is a threat for our members.
Health officials have said tough choices had to be made, and this modeler thinks it makes sense to target these groups even over some older populations.
We have the chance to use these vaccines strategically to prevent not just one outcome in one person, but to prevent 20 outcomes in 20 people by protecting a whole chain of transmission.
Something many of the workers living on and off-site here are grateful for.
All the workers that live all over the lower mainland are going to be safer, which means that the people around them are going to be safer as well.
The hope is to cover all of these groups in April and May. Susana de Silva, CBC News, Vancouver.